After a storm, as soon as it's safe, our crews work 24/7 to restore power. It can take time to restore power for everyone, and here's why. Our power system has several parts. Each has to be working for power to reach your home or business. Power plants generate electricity. Transmission lines carry it long distances. Substations reduce the voltage. Distribution lines move electricity from the substation to neighborhoods, homes, and businesses. After a major storm, it may take a while before you see crews restoring power near you. That's because we first assess damages, determine our ability to access them, prioritize areas for repair, and assign resources to complete the work. First, we repair damage to critical areas you might not see, like power plants, transmission lines, and substations. Without those in working order, electricity can't reach you. Next, we repair distribution lines. Think of them as the road to your home or business. If a road is blocked, no one can get through. We first repair distribution lines that serve critical infrastructure, such as hospitals, fire and police stations, water treatment plants, and major transportation facilities. Next, we restore the distribution lines we can access that serve the most customers and that are easiest to fix, so more customers get power back faster. We know it's frustrating to wait, but this approach helps get the community on its feet and helps the most people get power back as quickly as possible. If you're wondering why your neighbor has power and you don't, it's likely because you're served by different lines. The cause of your outage might be more complex or impacting fewer people, but we won't forget anyone, and every customer's power is equally important to us. For more storm information and safety tips, visit tampaelectric.com/storm center. Stay safe.